Article 1, the effects of our thoughts on stress. Our beliefs or mindsets can greatly affect our behavior and life experiences. For example, a belief that we can learn and grow smarter through effort increases our motivation to learn and our academic achievement. In a similar way, our beliefs about stress can affect how our body responds to stress, and ultimately how healthy we are, and even our academic performance. A positive mindset about stress sees that it can be stimulating and helpful to us. Stress helps us focus our attention on things we want to accomplish or pursue and motivates us to work towards our goal. Good stress is often called eustress. It may come up in playing a sport, working on a deadline, setting a challenge or goal we care about, or doing something new for the first time. Without some stress, we might not live up to our potential in what we can do and achieve. And without any stress, life might seem boring and unexciting, even depressing. Some people like the stress that adventures bring on. Adventure seekers often say it is when they feel most alive. Studies show that eustress has many benefits. It can be motivational, enhance learning, boost brain function, be good for internal organs, get us sweating, which cleans out our skin pores. Bad stress is called distress. This is usually ongoing stress that builds over time. It can include the stress of feeling unsafe and not having a sense of control over what happens in our life. We don't have the chance to recover when our mind and body is in a constant threatened state. Yet how our mind thinks about stress affects how much distress we experience. By understanding that eustress can build stronger brains and more optimistic outlooks, we can learn to seek the help we need and manage our stress level to make stress work for us rather than against us.